Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to take offline payments on Square. So all you need to do is search for Square and then open your account. Make sure you are logged into your account and then go to settings here and then device management and then modes. Now if you don't have an already created mode, you can press on add mode and create mode. You select the mode based on what you sell. For example, quick service, full service, bar, retail, booking, standard, anything. And then you follow the prompts. You need to name this mode and then select the settings. If you have an already made mode, you can just press on the mode and then press on manage. Now you will see offline payments. You press on offline payments and then you toggle this on. And then you press on allow offline payments and then you can put a limit per transaction, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.